Hi everyone, so I'm going to do a unboxing video on the Mighty Car Mods safety muffs for you. Okay, so on the side here we've got some warnings about hearing protection. Onto the back we've got some caution details. I might actually leave that up there for you a little bit longer so you can actually have a little bit of a read. And further down here we've got some tables of information. And onto the other side here we've got the Australian Standard details and American National Standards Institute details down there. Okay, on to opening the box. Okay, so there we go. Nicely lovely in a bit of plastic. Make sure you recycle your cardboard. Okay, so here we have them here in the plastic. I might actually put these onto the scales so you get a good idea of what they actually weigh. Okay, so we seem to be fluctuating between 279 and about 280 grams. It's a bit hard to do this one-handed. Okay, so there we are, we have them there in a nice red and black details. Obviously we've got the chopped fingers on the side, and I'm sure it will be the same for the other side as well. So there's quite a good amount of weight to them, as I showed you there before on the scales. So they are quite easy to adjust, but probably the thing I really do like about them is that they are actually numbered. So if you've got someone else that wants to wear them and maybe they've got a larger head than you or a smaller head, you can actually say you might have it on 2 and they might actually have them on 1 or 3. So you at least know where they can be adjusted for your fit, which I think is a great idea. On the top here we've got our Mighty Car Mods logo, and the same again on the other side with the numbers.